In this video, we will talk about the forever chemical, PFAS. Per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances, classified as forever chemicals, are a group of synthetic chemicals and have been widely used since the 1940s due to their ability to repel water and oil. PFAS are known for their excellent resistance to high temperatures and their lubricative properties. PFAS have found their way into multiple consumer and industrial products, including water-repellent clothing, stain-resistant fabrics and carpets, firefighting foams, non-stick cookware, food packaging materials, etc. The common use of PFAS has resulted in widespread environmental contamination. These chemicals are highly persistent. According to the EPA, they can resist natural degradation processes and build up in soil, water, and air. PFAS contamination is common near manufacturing sites, landfills, and areas where firefighting foams have been heavily used. Their ability to move long distances through water and air has led to the detection of PFAS in distant areas, far from where they originated. This broad contamination has also affected our wildlife. PFAS have been detected in fish, birds, and mammals that belong to different ecosystems. The toxicity of PFAS depends on two factors: the specific compound and the level of exposure. These chemicals build up in the body over time and stay there for a long time. This means that even small amounts of PFAS exposure can add up to large amounts in the body over years, causing harm to our bodies. As a result, PFAS has been linked to increased cholesterol levels, alterations in liver enzyme levels, reduced effectiveness of vaccines in children, and higher chances of developing specific cancers, including those affecting the kidneys and testicles. PFAS can also affect thyroid hormones and cause high blood pressure during pregnancy. Some PFAS have been shown to have developmental effects, potentially impacting fetal and child development. As PFAS-related issues continue to be revealed, different regions are creating rules and regulations to mitigate them. In the United States, the EPA has taken actions by establishing the first national drinking water standard for PFAS. According to the EPA, this regulation sets enforceable maximum contaminant levels for 6 specific PFAS compounds in drinking water, PFOA and PFOS at 4 parts per trillion, and PFNA, PFHXS, PFBS, and General X chemicals regulated as a mixture using a hazard index calculation. Some states have created their own stricter regulations. States like Maine, Massachusetts, Michigan, and New Hampshire have established enforceable drinking water standards for certain PFAS. The PFOA stewardship program helped big companies stop using PFOA and similar chemicals, which is a big step in cutting down PFAS production. Around the world, the Stockholm Convention has named several PFAS for banning or limiting. This shows that many countries agree on the need to deal with these chemicals. Despite efforts to regulate these chemicals, it is still challenging to manage PFAS contamination. Since PFAS last a long time in nature and have been heavily used for many years, cleaning them up will take a long time. As our understanding of the distribution of PFAS continues to grow, there is a good chance that PFA-related regulations will get stricter and more comprehensive in the future. Thank you for watching.